The band Perry writes a song called If I Die Young. And basically, that's it. Those are the 4 chords played throughout. You got A, E, B, and C sharp minor. Sometimes, instead of playing that entire phrase, they'll play A, E, B, and they'll just hold that B for a little while. And that's basically it. Now, the little line that I put in there, it's just a riff I'm playing over that. I feel like I hear something like that with the mandolin in the background of the song. But basically what you're playing is you're playing in the key of E. You have an A, which is, it sounds like our main chord, but it's actually the 4 in the key of E. You have an A, which is the 4 chord, in E, which is actually our 1, the B, which is our 5, and the C sharp minor, which is our 6. But A is where we're resolving it. It's really I really like it. It's what makes it so jammy. It feels like the song can just kind of keep going and going and going, which they do. They just play those 4 chords over and over and over again. So I'm doing a very simple finger picking pattern, which is I'm just playing, for the most part, it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Basically thumb in middle here, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And I'm going to do the same thing for E, except for I'm going to play the root here. Thumb in middle, thumb and thumb, middle, thumb. So thumb, middle, thumb, index, thumb, middle, thumb. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And the same thing I did for A, I do for B. Now this is an A shape. I just scoot up 2 frets to make a B. Now I feel more comfortable barring that, so I'm going to use my 4th finger here to bar. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now I like to hammer this. Those are some variations that I'm throwing in, but if you get that finger picking pattern that I will tab out and have below, you're basically playing what I'm doing, and you can embellish as you feel more comfortable. Now, if you look on guitartabs.com or whatever, you'll find people who give you the chords G, D, A, and B minor. And then they tell you to capo it up on the 2nd fret, which just means this. You have a capo playing on the 2nd fret, and so you can play these chords in a way that it's a little easier. You don't have this B, which is a challenging chord. So it becomes, right? You're capoing that G up on the 2nd fret. So G on the 2nd fret, that's what it looks like. You have a capo over here. G, D, A, that's that capo on the 2nd fret, and B minor, if you have a capo over here. They're not playing it that way, so I'm not playing it that way. But if you want to have that easy version, G, you can just strum G, 2, D, 2, A, 2, B minor, and just forget the bar chord and play it here. 1, 2, G,